Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do an unboxing of the brand new set of headphones from EPOS. These are the H3Pro hybrids. So the H3s came out in a wired model, and then they came out with these H3 hybrids, which are Bluetooth, and now the Pros are slightly little better quality, but they also now have a dongle for you to connect two Bluetooth ways. So let's just open it up and take a look what's in there. So I brought the other set out here just to give you an example comparison wise. So first off, the difference that I'm going to be able to tell is that they're slightly bluer, right? A bit of a cobalt blue than just the black. I don't know, it's just kind of a thing, but it also has the wording. I didn't realize that before. So there's that. We also have the head microphone thing there, and the microphone is also detachable there. Cool. The cups look pretty much the same. We have the same USB plug-in. We have the power, and then our Bluetooth button. And what is this? ANC, auto noise control. Little switch there too. That is going to be really cool. That's awesome. I got a remote working day tomorrow, and I'm going to be trying that out. Here is USB extension. So imagine this is going to be for the dongle it comes with. So there's your dongle. Okay, so it's funny, the little headsets that they came with, the H270s I think it was, earbuds, came with a USB-C one. I was kind of expecting that would be the same, but you can use this now as, oops, there. Come on. Of course, USB, you never get it in the right way on the first or several times. There we go. That is the dongle. So it's already been paired up with this guy here. So you just plug that in somewhere, boop, it connects. Just like you have those heads, those, you know, if you ever use mice and whatnot. This is a cover for the volume dial there. There's our wired connector. So that plugs into the device, and this plugs then into, it's got the 4-poster, USB-C to A for charging, and then some manuals to read through to make sure I know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, looking forward to trying this out tomorrow. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.